In the fast-dated pendant of Venice, where the beaches greet the sea, lies a hidden gem called Bird Bay, a diamond in Florida's jewelry. There's shuffleboard and the fitness centers, pickleball and tennis for owners and renters, water aerobics and book club meetings, meeting new people and exchanging greetings. The birds at Bird Bay awaken with song, our feathered friends who've waited so long. Cardinals, herons, and mockingbirds call, eagles and egrets embracing us all become friends, sharing stories and cheer in this little paradise year after year. At Bird Bay, time slows its frenetic pace. Bird Bay of Venice is my happy place. The birds at Bird Bay awaken with song, our feathered friends who've waited so long. Cardinals, herons, and mockingbirds call, eagles and egrets embracing us all. All become friends, sharing stories and cheer in this little paradise year after year. At Bird Bay, time slows its frenetic pace.